So here is an example of an arborvitae hedge that I'm starting to grow in my backyard. There are 3 giant green arborvitae, and these things do take off. They get way bigger than what you're seeing here in the picture, but I decided to buy 3 of them. If I'm going to do an arborvitae hedge of the giant green variety in this small of a space, it's going to require me to do trimming more frequently. I've been trimming this hedge about once a year so far. I'm waiting for it to get a little bit taller. In about a year, I'm going to have to start trimming that at least 2 to 3 times a year. And once it gets to the full form that I'm looking for, it's probably going to be about a monthly to bi-monthly, depending on how fast the growing season is. So if you're wanting to do a hedge like I have here, these are planted about 3 feet apart, similar to what I'm doing so far in the front yard, 7 to 8 feet tall, and I'm waiting for the denseness a little bit more at the top. But in comparison, here is the emerald green arborvitae hedge. If you haven't seen that video, click here. Thank you, everybody. Peace and love. If you are thinking about planting multiple arborvitae, check out this video.